If you are tired of dealing with slow, clunky third-party software just to look at a document, you can actually use Google Chrome as your primary PDF viewer. It is incredibly fast, lightweight, and you likely already have it installed on your machine. Let us get this set up right now so you never have to wait on a dedicated PDF reader again. First, open up a fresh Google Chrome window on your computer. Move your cursor up to the top right corner of the screen and click on the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From this drop-down list, scroll down and click on Settings. Once you are inside the Settings page, look at the left-hand navigation panel and select Privacy and Security. Now, look at the center of your screen and scroll down until you see Site Settings. Then click on that. You will need to scroll down quite a bit further here until you reach the very bottom of the page. Click to expand the section called Additional Content Settings. Inside this hidden menu, scroll down until you find PDF Documents and click on it. Here is the important setting you need to change. Right now, your browser might be set to download these files automatically. You need to look at the options and select Open PDFs in Chrome instead of Download PDFs. Now that the browser is configured, we need to tell your operating system to use Chrome every single time. Minimize Chrome and locate any PDF file on your computer. Right-click on that PDF file and hover your mouse over the Open With option. Instead of clicking Chrome right away from the quick list, you want to move down and click on Choose Another App. This opens a new dialog box. Inside this list, find and select Google Chrome. Before you click OK, make sure you look at the bottom of that window and check the box that says, Always use this app to open PDF files. Click OK. You will notice the file icon immediately changes to the Google Chrome logo. When you double-click the file, it instantly launches right inside a browser tab. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.